Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will talk about a very important thing, and that is the ideal number of mock tests and sectional tests that we should attempt before the CAT exam, CAT 2025. So let's start. And hello, my name is Arshita for those who don't know me, and I'm a 2025 CAT aspirant. And in this video I will be telling that the ideal number of mocks or sectional tests that you should target even if you are starting just now. So let's start. And I wanted to create this video before some time, like a few days ago only, but I was sick, and it really got me like this, so I was not able to create it. But now it is good, so let's start. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you have attempted a few mocks, or if you are just starting right now, that is okay too. You need to target 35 full length mocks now till the day of CAT. So for that, what you need to do, if you are watching this video on 22nd September, then till the 30th September, you can target at least 3 to 4 full-length mocks as per your time availability. Or if it is not possible in September to target 4 mock tests, then you should target 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 as possible. And then in the month of October, you should target 15 full-length mock tests. From October 1 to October 15, you can take 7 full-length mock tests. And from October 16 to October 30, you should take at least 8 full-length mock tests. So then you will have 15 mock tests in the month of October. So finally, in the month of November, target for 16 full-length mock tests, because November is the most important month for finalizing your mock strategy and getting familiar with the pattern and being comfortable sitting for long hours. So that's why you should target at least 16 full-length mock tests in the month of November, and by then you will also have your syllabus completed. So that is the time when your score will rise, and that is the time when you should do proper analysis to finalize your mock strategy. And for that, from November 1 to November 20, you should target 12 full-length mock tests, and from November 21 to November 29, to keep it light, you should target 4 full-length mock tests. So this was about the full-length mock tests. Now, in case you have given a few mock tests before and you have not analyzed them properly, then it is very necessary to analyze them properly, because real learning only comes from analyzing the mock tests and not just attempting the mock tests. So do not chase a high number, and always focus on analyzing the mock test properly for setting your mock strategy. And I have also given a few mock tests. I have also attempted a few mock tests, but I have not analyzed some of the mock tests properly. That's why I'm targeting to first complete the analysis of the pending mock tests, and then I will move to target more mock tests. So do not chase a high number of mock tests. Always focus on analyzing the mock tests that you have already targeted, that you have already attempted. And talking about which mock test should you target, so I would suggest IMS mock test, because a lot of people attempt those tests. And along with those, also target another test series. It could be a test series of your coaching classes, or it could be any series from CL or Time. So you can choose accordingly as per your need, but you should target at least 2 test series. And you can also target Kraku, because a lot of people also suggested that. But you should always focus on improving and not focusing so much on score, but analyzing that what you did wrong, because none of the test series will be the actual CAT exam, right? It can come close to the CAT exam, but it will not be the actual CAT exam. So for that, you need to know that what are the areas where you make most mistakes and how you can improve them. And that is the best you can do. So do not fixate much on the scores, but always focus on improving your mistakes and weak areas. Now let's move to the sectional test part. Now talking about sectional tests, so in each of the sections, you should target at least 25 sectionals starting right now till the day of CAT, because it is very important to know which of the particular areas are weak in each of the sections, and that can be best understood by taking more and more sectional tests. And also, it is important to know that if there is a particular geometry topic, or if there is a particular arithmetic or algebra topic where you are getting answers right, but you are getting them right by guessing, or you have covered some syllabus but you are not able to solve the questions of that part in the test. So these all things will only be understood by sectional test in depth, because in mock test we focus more on attempting more questions, so we do not focus on particular areas of each section. But in sectional test we can focus on particular areas of each section, be it VRC or LRDI or quant. So that is about it. And for that, in September you can target at least 1 to 3 sectional tests of each section, And in months of October and November, you can then target 11 sectionals for each section. Or if you are giving if you are targeting one sectional in the month of September, then October you can give you can target 12, and also November you can target 12. So accordingly you can manage and you can adjust. But do not skip analysis of any test, because I am repeating it that analysis is more important than chasing a higher number of mock tests or sectionals. So this was about it. This was a quick video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you think that I should bring a video on proper analysis of sectionals and mock tests, then please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Also one more thing, I wanted to know that are you guys following current affairs on a daily basis? Like, are you guys following the headlines, or are you guys following whole news, like everything on a particular day that comes in news? Because I also think that I should follow current affairs daily, but honestly I'm not able to do so in depth. And sometimes I am able to catch the headlines, but not always. So I wanted to know that are you guys covering the news on a daily basis, or are you thinking of covering it after your CAT examination? And other than that, I also remember it reminded me of that video that I recently watched on Nepal revolution by the British YouTuber We Hate the Cold. So have you guys watched it? Because to be honest, according to me, watching it was a very surreal experience, and I enjoyed it very much because I was able to see close up what was going in Nepal. And I realized that people there are actually very friendly and very nice, and they care about their country. And the media is portraying them as bad and like immature, because they are basically protesting for social media. But that is the media propaganda, and that is not the truth, because they are protesting for corruption, for the long going corruption in Nepal. And that was very interesting to watch. If you have not watched that video yet, then I highly suggest you to watch that video if you have time and if you are interested, because that was once in a lifetime kind of experience for me. And the very fact that we can watch it on YouTube close up is incredible to me, because I never imagined such a thing would happen. So I would paste the thumbnail of that video here if you are interested. And also, thank you so much for watching my video. Please let me know what do you think of this video in the comments, and what do you think I should make a video on next. And also, how is your preparation going on? Is there any issue that you are facing? Then also you can let me know. Please think of me as a friend and not just a content creator, because I do view you as a friend. And finally, if you like this video, please like this video and let me know your opinion in the comments. And also, if you like the other content on this channel, please like those videos too and consider subscribing if you find my content helpful or relatable. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. And let me know your opinion on it. Sorry, I'm not able to speak, but let me know your